Hello everyone. Today I am Kiran Singh from Suraj School Rewadi is here to explain the chapter 3rd. I in my previous video I explained health and food. Today I will explain exercise, hygiene, rest and diseases. First, exercise. Exercise play the important role in our life. The regular exercise develops the bones and muscles, improvement in the blood circulation of the body, and keep our body in a good shape. Playing outdoor games and doing yoga are the way of keeping the body fit and healthy. Next, hygiene. Hygiene means cleanliness. Means हमें अपनी और अपने सराउंडिंग में क्लीन रखना चाहिए. In hygiene, we can include the wash our hands before and after the eating foods. Take a bath daily. Brush your teeth. Trim your nails regularly. Keep the body clean and the surrounding also. Always throw the garbage in a closed dustbin. Keep used up utensils in the kitchen sink only and put the dirty clothes in the washing tub or machine. Next, rest. Rest. We need proper rest to restore our energy. When we do work in a whole day, our body tires. Then our body need rest. While we sleep, our body gets time to repair its worn out cells and tissues and to relax. It also get time to grow while we sleep. So rest is important part in our life to stay healthy. Next, disease. What does mean disease? Disease is the abnormal condition of our body part or a whole body. Means आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी हमें हेडेक हो जाता है तो हम अपने वर्क को प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? इट मीन्स आवर बॉडी इज इन एबनॉर्मल कंडीशन and we cannot do our work properly. Diseases are two types. First, communicable disease and second, non-communicable disease. Communicable disease means disease that can be spread or transmit one person to another person. These diseases are called communicable disease. Cold, cough, plague, cholera are the examples of communicable diseases. The best way to prevent communicable disease is to ensure proper hygiene of our body, food, water, and surroundings. Second, non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease Non-communicable disease means disease that cannot be transmitted or spread one person to another person are called non-communicable disease like anemia, cancer, diabetes, scurvy, rickets are the non-communicable disease. These disease can occur due to the lack of nutrients in our diet. So these disease also are called deficiency disease. Like anemia is a disease that is caused due to the lack of iron in our diet. Rickets is also a non-communicable disease that is caused due to the lack of vitamin D in our diet. Nowadays, corona is a disease is also a communicable disease. That's why we are closed in our home because it spread one person to another. So stay home and be safe. Thank you.